Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be covering how to create a Google Tag Manager account. It's quite simple and straightforward, but after watching the video, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. To get started, we first have to open the Google Tag Manager platform. You can simply search Google Tag Manager on Google. The official website is typically the first result. Once you are on the Google Tag Manager platform, you will need to sign in. Since I already have an account, I'm automatically signed in, but if you are new, you need to log in with the Google credentials. Once logged in on the main screen, you will see an option to create a new account. This will set up Google Tag Manager specifically for your website. After you click create account, you will be asked to enter a few simple details. Account name, which can be your business name, your country of your business, your container name. I usually use the website URL here, as this container will hold all the tag, triggers and variables for that specific website. For the target platform, click web, since we are setting it up for the website, and once everything is done, click create. Here we have to agree to the terms and conditions and click yes. So yeah, now your Google Tag Manager account has been created. At this stage, you will land on the main Google Tag Manager dashboard, where a pop-up will appear with two pieces of code. These are actually crucial for linking Google Tag Manager to your website. If you know how to edit your website code, yeah, you can go ahead and add them yourself. The first code should be placed in the head section of every page. The second page code should be placed right after the opening body tag. However, if you're unsure how to do this, that's totally fine. You can simply forward this code to your developer and they will implement it for you quickly and correctly. If you accidentally close the pop-up, no worries, it's easy to access again. Just go to admin and click install Google Tag Manager. The same set of codes will be displayed there for you to copy. Once the codes are correctly added to your website, you can verify the installation by pasting your website URL into test your website section. And if the green check mark appears, it means that the GTM code has been successfully installed. Another way to confirm the setup is by using Tag Assistant browser extension by Google. This tool lets you see which tags are active on your website. So it's a blue icon on the top. When you click it, you would see that the tags which are correctly placed would be over here. Yeah, sometimes you might not be able to see this icon. So to get it, you just click that puzzle option and then manage extension. You can just type Tag Assistant over here and there will be an option to download this extension. Once installed, you can pin this extension on the top and use it anytime you want to check if the tags are correctly installed on your website or not.